Amelia, for you guys, your relationship with your teacher, your expectations levels with your faculty, your teacher, they are not independent of the evaluation system. Sarneval ki semester system ki. On this very show, we have debated whether semester system is better or annual system is better. You guys have not been very. In fact, initially, if I remember, the semester system was widely opposed by students, majority of the students. Now, I want to ask you, when we talk about the relationship and the expectations and how you explore it, it makes a major difference, doesn't it? What are your thoughts on it?
I think whether it's a semester system or an annual system, main thing is teachers should be interested in teaching.
You think they're not?
They are not.
The appointment of teachers is made through, for example, made through an NET examination, that he should qualify the NET examination, whereby he expresses his interest that I want to be a teacher. So he expresses his interest, but nevertheless this is a job for him. You have to have a system in a manner such that the interaction between student and teacher takes place. For example, in Jawaharlal University and many other institutions, IIT and all that, teachers display contact hour with the student, whether he likes or not. And during that period, students will go, discuss with the teacher, these are my problems, and the teacher is obliged to. So you should focus more on the systemic weaknesses and more communication.
Yes. So when we talk about systemic corrections, if I may put it that way, because sir is saying that the procedure when it comes to taking teachers, they are saying they are not the interested lot. So when we talk about expectations there, what we gather from your opinion is that your expectations level from teachers, they don't match really, because you use the word, they're not interested, which is a very strong term. Let him comment on it, and I'll take your thoughts also.
टीचर इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, लेकिन तब कई बार क्या होता है, टीचर्स जब पढ़ाते रहते हैं, स्टूडेंट उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, तो टीचर्स कहते हैं कि टीचर्स की द वे दे टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट को अच्छा नहीं लगता है, मतलब इतने गंदे तरीके से बोलते हैं, कहते हैं कि दे डोंट नो.
Okay, one more comment. Okay, this could be your personal opinion, but then we have to
assessment student की ओर से assessment की तरह teacher can assess the student anytime, but student की ओर से there is no assessment. Student can't.
Okay. Do we have a consensus on it? Let's have one more lady at the back here.